out the house looking like that. I'm gonna turn up on the salon and get her some.
They put the Michael in too tight, they itch. Oh my god. What's up, though, cuz?
Come on, girl, what's wrong with you?
Man, my head is itching. Those Africans put too much in there.
Oh, it looks good, but damn,
Thank
girl.
you. Thank you.
Girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Wanna buy and now with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
But anyways, shit, Randy just gonna finally put some J's on my baby feet. Ain't that right?
Oh, man, he a pimp. He gonna get all the poo-poo.
Yeah, you know it.
All
you know
the poo-poo.
it. Make that money. Makes mommy some money.
Damn.
Yeah.
So I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans for a boot. I had to keep it looking good, cause my baby did a just made bell. He a dog, he a shoe. He got a new baby. Need new shoes today. Child support check it today.
I'm gonna get my nails did today, but I don't know. I'm supposed to get my food stamp card too.
Fuck your food stamps.
Might go buy some.
Brand new tech. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Anything over while I stack my thumb. No red had this cake alone. Thinking that you better than I am. Well then.
Ooh, girl.
Boy.
I tell you, Quisha was at the party. I'm fake.
What?
I was about to bitch slap her, girl.
I seen her the other day.
She very glad I got that weed done.
Okay.
We're gonna talk to you later. Bye.
OMG, what do she have?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is all wrong.
Cause she rich.
I seen her the other day.
She very glad I got that weed done. Shit, fucking up my shit. About to set the dollar stuff for $4.99. I don't give a fuck.
You know what?
Now with them shoes on.
You ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. Watch, I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Emanuela.
Another kid on the way. She better have 4.
Damn.
She only 19.
She need to slow down.
Yes.
Pussy been wrecked. Reckless. YOLO is not the thing today.
These bitches is one day. Let me sit him down, cause he's getting too heavy.
Alright, girl, I see you.
Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Yeah.
I'm with Team Flip
What else?
Team Chris Brown.
Okay.
If she don't shut it up, then this team shut
what you
it down.
wanna do?
I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then this team he paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me.
over there
Because
being
you ain't
rich.
looking like nothing.
I'm
You ain't
on
looking
my
like
job.
what
Why you
gonna
wanna
do?
be rich?
What you gonna leave? You can leave. Girl.
You're weird. No, you're weirder. No, we're just two weird ass motherfuckers.
Yo,
Okay.
you're a fucking gay kid. Now that's ratchet.
What time is it, dude?
It's like
7:42 in the fucking morning. It's 7:42 when this nigga sleep. I'm bought us some biscuits.
Got this nigga with a biscuit.
Eat that shit, bitch.